All right, this screencast is about Splash Math. There is a link for it in the math class on Schoology. However, you can just put it in your browser here and it will come up as Splash Learn. It goes directly to my 5th grade page. So I'm going to make sure that I log out because I'm going to show you how to log in as a student. Okay? So this is what the screen will look like. You are going to go here to sign in, and then it's going to ask you where you're playing. I would select class. If you select home, then your parent has to sign up with their email. It's just easier if you pretend like you're playing at school. It's no big deal. So click class. Our class code is, it's in Schoology, but it's WCINLW. Okay, and there you go. So once you get in, everybody in 5th grade's name is here. So I'm going to click in as Cameron, and then the passwords I sent you in Schoology. So Cameron, I'm going to use yours, but it's going to show it. So I'm going to go back in and change it, and I'll send you a new one, okay? Because I don't want everybody to know your password. All right. So here you are. It's got different worlds you can play with. You know, once you get coins, you can make your world the way you want it to. All right. So here's your dashboard. I have assigned you these decimal place value representing them, rounding them, then subtracting them. So these are your assignments for you to work on. Mr. Isaac and I can look at how you did on them, and as you complete them, you'll earn stars so that you can buy things. You can also go in and change your emoji thing, do that kind of stuff, okay? So if the link in Schoology is not working, you could just try Splash Learn in your browser with your class code and your username.